In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy fast hours in Midjourney. If you've been creating a lot of images and you're hitting limits or waiting in relax mode, fast hours let you render more quickly by tapping into Midjourney's faster compute. Let's walk through the exact flow so you can top up confidently. Start by heading to the Midjourney website and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the hours to appear. Once you're in the web app, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click that to open the additional settings menu. From that small menu, choose Manage Subscription. This takes you to your account and billing area, which is where Midjourney lets you adjust your plan and add-ons. On this page, you'll see your current subscription box. Whether you're on the basic plan or a different tier, the process is the same. Inside your plan box, find the option labeled Buy More Fast Hours and click it. This opens the Fast Hours top-up panel. Here, Midjourney presents a few preset choices so you can add what you need without changing your plan. You'll see options for 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, and 12 hours. Each one shows the price and the total updates as you select. Pick the amount that best fits your workload. For a quick boost or to finish a project on deadline, 1 or 2 hours might be enough. If you're planning a larger batch of generations, 5 or 12 hours can help you avoid interruptions and usually offer better value per hour. After you choose your amount, click Continue. You'll arrive at a confirmation screen where you can review your selection, the cost, and any taxes before finalizing. When everything looks right, click Purchase to complete the transaction. If you already have a saved payment method on file, it will be used automatically. Otherwise, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm payment. Once the purchase goes through, fast hours are added to your account almost immediately. You can return to your account page at any time to see your remaining fast hours. They'll be consumed when you generate images in fast mode, and they pause when you're in relax mode, so you stay in control of how quickly you spend them. If you ever need more later, simply repeat this same process from the Manage Subscription area. That's it. You've successfully topped up fast hours in Midjourney, and you're ready to keep creating without the slowdown. Thanks for watching and happy generating.